In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Mailchimp signup form. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your form settings, how to adjust the look and feel, and how to fine-tune the fields so the experience matches your brand and guide subscribers smoothly from start to finish. Start by heading to the Forms area on the left pane. This is your control center for any signup form you've created. Locate the form you want to work on and click the Edit button. That opens the form builder so you can make visual and structural changes without touching any code. Next, click Edit on the preview. This takes you directly into design mode, where what you see is what you'll get. Here you can customize colors, fonts, button styles, spacing, and backgrounds. Keep your brand in mind. Use consistent colors and readable typography, and check that your contrast is accessible so text stands out on any device. As you adjust styles, think about hierarchy. Headlines should be clear, body text easy to scan, and the call to action button prominent and action-oriented. Within this editor, you can work on each page of the sign-up flow and the interactions between them. That includes the main sign-up page, any confirmation or success pages, and update pages. Aim for consistency across all screens so subscribers never feel lost. Align headings, keep messaging friendly and concise, and make sure any error or confirmation messages are easy to understand. If there are transitions or interactions, confirm that the tone, colors, and button labels line up from page to page. On the left pane, click a specific page to zoom in for a closer look. This is where you edit individual elements and fields. Select a field to rename its label, add helpful placeholder text, or clarify instructions so people know exactly what to enter. If certain information is essential, mark those fields clearly and keep the number of required fields to a minimum to reduce friction. Reorder fields to place the most important questions first. Group related items together and keep the form visually balanced. Small tweaks, like consistent label capitalization, clear error text, and adequate spacing, improve completion rates and overall trust. When you're happy with your updates, click Save at the top right. Save regularly as you work, then give everything one final review before you finish. That's all. You now know how to customize your Mailchimp signup form with a clean design, clear fields, and a consistent experience from start to finish.